How to fix double audio on X when playing video on web browser mobile. So hearing double audio when playing X videos in your mobile browser, let's fix it step by step. First thing you can do is to clear your browser cache. This removes old data that may cause playback glitches. So you can also clear cache on X and then make sure to turn off autoplay in your browser. This prevents overlapping streams when videos load. Another thing you can do is to open X directly. So avoid in-app browsers like Messenger or Facebook. Open X directly in Chrome, Safari, or Edge to stop double playback. Update your browser. Update your browser to the latest version. Outdated builds often mismanage audio streams. If the issue persists, disable hardware acceleration in browser settings. This reduces audio conflicts on some devices. That is how to fix double audio on X when playing video on web browser mobile.